Now we're going to cast off 3 sides of the pillow. We had 36 stitches on each side from each corner to corner, and you can see that I've cast off some already. I just want to show you how to navigate the corners, because while we are binding off, we're also increasing. That will just give you a nice square corner and not have it be too rounded off. Okay, so here is the end of the first side. You're going to pick up by putting the needle from front to back through the work and bring it back. So you're really just picking up one and binding it off. Then put the needle below the next stitch. So that's the first stitch on the next side, and bind it off. And then continue to bind off until the next corner. We are getting there, almost done with the third side. I just want to show you how to do that last corner. We're going to leave one side on the needle and work the back of the pillow. So we bind off 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and I can tell that I am at a corner here because I have these increases, and I'm just going to bind off the last one and put the right hand loop on the left hand needle, and that'll be the first stitch. And then you'll be ready to work back and forth, so knit row then a purl row, using a chart in the next step. Do you want to learn how to make your own Symmetry pillow? You can buy the pattern on Ravelry.com, and you can buy the entire kit at kariskits.com. I'll have links below this video for the pattern, the kit, and you can sign up at kariskits.com for a 20% discount code. See you there!